Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Captcha Verify on Discord. So for others, when they click on the Captcha Verify, it just makes it on a loop so that if they click it, nothing really happens. Or it will just pop up again. So for that to fix, make sure that you have closed you don't have any VPN, so you could check your taskbar right here or the tray button. Make sure that you have no currently open VPNs or something. And I suggest that you restart your router so that it's because sometimes the problem to Captcha's errors or verification errors is bad internet connection at the time. So you just need to restart your router first. And once you're done with that, just basically need to restart Discord. So just go with restarting Discord. So close it here. Also close it on the taskbar here, on the tray icon here, and click on quit Discord to exit Discord completely. Next thing that you'd want to do is click on the Windows icon here, right click on it, and go to Terminal, Admin, prompt to pop up this one. So just need to click on iConfig /flush DNS. So take note of this command, and once you're done, you just need to click on enter, and it will flush the DNS on your PC. Once you're done with that, restart your computer, and once you're done restarting your computer, try opening up the Captcha again. But if it still does not work, I suggest you that to reinstall Discord or try doing the Captcha on another platform like your cell phone, tablet, or something. And if it still doesn't work, I suggest that you contact Discord support. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.